Hello children, this video is for class 2 mathematics topic revision of patterns and I'm your maths teacher Priyanka Best. Now children, let us recall what is a pattern. Pattern is arrangement of things following a rule. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, numbers, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Children, you can find patterns on so many things around you, like pattern on floor tiles, pattern on bed sheet, and pattern on garland. Children, do this revision test in your maths classwork notebook. The question is carry on the pattern. Here children, some numbers and letters are given in a definite sequence or a pattern. So first you have to observe the numbers carefully. Then you have to find out the pattern of the numbers and then you will write the next four numbers. Now children, these are the answers. Look at the first part. Here, observe the pattern carefully. Children, you will see that on adding 5 to the first number, that is 375, we get the next number, that is 380. Okay. Again, on adding 5 to 380, we get the next number, that is 385. So children, we see that in each step on adding 5, we get the next number. So the next four numbers are 390, then 395, the next number will be 400 and the last number will be 405. Now children, look at the next part B. Observe the pattern carefully. Children, you will see that on adding 4 to the first number, that is 8, we get the next number 12. Children, again on adding 4 to 12, we get the next number 16. So children, we see that in each step on adding 4, we get the next number. So the four next numbers are 20, then 24, then 28 and 32. Now look at the next part. See, here letters are given. Observe these letters carefully. Now children, we see that. So children, you will notice that two letters are given together. The second alphabet or second letter will be repeated with the consecutive alphabet. Again, so here you will see that BC, then C is repeated with the next consecutive alphabet, that is D. Again, D is repeated with the consecutive alphabet E. So children, the next four are EF, FG, GH and HI. Now children, next part D. Look at the numbers carefully and observe the pattern. Children, we see that on subtracting 6 from the first number, that is 54, we get the next number, that is 48. Again, on subtracting 6 from 48, we get the next number, that is 42. So children, we see that on subtracting 6 in each step, we get the next number. Means on each step, the number is reducing by 6. So children, the next four numbers are 36, 30, 24 and 18. Thank you.